Hey guys, this is Rahul here and you're watching TechSole Blog YouTube channel. And today, in this video we'll be seeing the latest smartphone by Doogee, which is Doogee S89 Pro. That comes with a cool versatile breathing light on the rear. And it has a monster battery capacity of 12,000 mAh that keeps the device running for more than 3 days. So now let's take a look at the smartphone itself. So that's it in this video guys, I hope you liked it, and for more details about this product I have provided the link in the description below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in the next one.